The Dell K16A docking station is widely used in professional environments, but users frequently encounter three main categories of problems. Let's diagnose the most common issues systematically. First, power delivery problems. If your laptop isn't charging properly through the dock, start with the basics. Verify your 180-watt AC adapter is securely connected. Next, inspect your Thunderbolt cable for any physical damage or wear. Cable degradation is a common cause of intermittent power issues after 18 to 24 months of use. Try connecting to different Thunderbolt ports on your laptop. Some ports may have better power delivery capabilities or fewer compatibility issues. Finally, check your BIOS settings. Enable Thunderbolt security settings and power delivery options. This is crucial for proper dock functionality. Second, USB connectivity problems. When USB devices aren't recognized or disconnect intermittently, the issue is often driver-related rather than hardware failure. Open Device Manager and locate Universal Serial Bus controllers. Uninstall and reinstall the USB controllers to reset the connection. This resolves most USB recognition issues. Disable USB Selective Suspend in power management settings. This prevents Windows from automatically turning off USB ports to save power, which can cause connectivity issues. For persistent issues, perform a complete power cycle. Disconnect the dock for 30 seconds, then reconnect. Test individual ports to identify any hardware failures. Third, monitor display problems. Display detection issues account for 34% of support tickets. The solution usually involves driver updates and proper cable selection. Update your GPU drivers first. Outdated display drivers are the most common cause of monitor detection failures. Use Windows Update or download directly from your graphics card manufacturer. Adjust display scaling settings in Windows if monitors appear at wrong resolutions. The K16A supports dual 4K at 60 Hz or single 8K displays. Always use certified DisplayPort or HDMI cables. Poor quality cables cause flickering, resolution limitations, and intermittent connections. Cable quality directly impacts display stability. These systematic troubleshooting steps address the majority of K16A issues. According to Dell technical support data, 78% of problems are software or driver related, with an 89% success rate when following proper firmware update procedures. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve Dell K16A docking station issues, advanced techniques and strategic planning become essential for maintaining productivity. Advanced troubleshooting involves three critical areas: firmware updates, thermal management, and display configuration resets. Dell Command Update provides automated driver and firmware management. This tool significantly reduces manual troubleshooting time and ensures your K16A dock stays current with the latest improvements. Thermal issues cause intermittent disconnections and performance degradation. Proper ventilation and positioning prevent overheating-related failures that account for a significant portion of dock problems. Dell plans to phase out the K16A by 2026 in favor of models with enhanced power delivery up to 240 watts. Organizations should begin migration planning now to ensure smooth transitions and maximize their current investments. A Fortune 500 company with over 5,000 K16A docks achieved a 60% reduction in support tickets through proactive firmware updates and standardized procedures. This demonstrates the value of systematic dock management approaches.